before the
Oh,
show closes.
that's always fun.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, and we are live. Do I need to post that in Discord or did someone else?
Hey, my engine light's off.
Oh, good. That is always good to drive without an engine light on.
I'll start muting myself now.
So let's see. Today was a good day. We're just finishing up getting all of our changes over for the blockchain stuff, getting into testing tonight, and who knows, we might even be able to take things. Well, we'll probably do an update tomorrow morning for the Electron app. There's some cool loading stuff in, but I'll let Nate hype that up and talk about it. And Johnny did some awesome work. I'll let him talk about that, but I have a new admin update for Jason coming soon. And yeah, that is it for me. Nathan.
Yo. Well, it was a pretty good day. Let's see, finally the finishing loading, when you click on it, little loading placeholder animation, got that working. It was working locally for a while and not in production, and it ended up just being, when it compiled, the animation name got changed. So I got a fix in for that. And then what was the other thing? Oh yeah, I got text to shrink. So if you guys have ever done iOS, it's just a button you can click that just says, shrink the font if it doesn't fit inside its container. And that is not come out of the box with JavaScript and CSS stuff. But I got a cool little fix for that. That will go on the slope header title thing. And yeah, so that build's coming out, I guess, soon, Jacob, today. I don't know.
We have some testing to do, but hopefully tomorrow morning.
Okay, sweet. And then I spent a little bit of the day learning about FPGA and how to program them.
PGA.
PGA.
Not the Parent Teachers Association.
So what you're saying is you didn't spend much time on it at all.
What did I say, right? FPGA? Yeah, you did. Yeah, well, it's going to be cool. Cool stuff with that. There's a lot to learn about everything.
What are you using to program it with? Like assembly or what?
Well, right now I'm just kind of looking how to, learning about what it is first. And I can't remember the names of all the tools to program and stuff, but
what's it for?
Scraping the surface. But I'm going to end up programming one for some cool stuff.
I think it's called a text editor.
Pretty much. That's what I had to use. I had to use one for a semester in college, Nate. So if you need help with that, let me know.
Oh, so you did stuff like that?
Yeah, I don't like to talk about it, though.
Oh. Well, cool. We'll have to pick your brain, maybe.
His brain is sealed like a vault. You cannot pick it.
Why not? Join the club.
Jason.
It's been a really good, really busy day. Just making lots of last-minute touches to the website, and it's hitting QA in moments once it's pushed up to dev. And I'm creating some testing cards for that. Got a bunch of new stuff, final projects and things added to the admin app to be tested and ready to be pushed soon with the app update, probably. Got Mark's new blockchain video added to admin and ready to go live, and that's ready. Customer support And yeah, lots of web stuff today. Tons of it.
Then you learned something new today.
I learned how to use the inner HTML attribute for Angular. So I can add HTML tags to JavaScript strings. So that was interestingly neat. Thanks, Ben.
Not a problem.
All right. Good work, man.
Hmm.
All right. Mark Price.
Here, take that. So, man, I had a good weekend. I worked a lot and did a lot of stuff, but so I built the I'm like 65-70% done with the cryptocurrency wallet. I built a CLI wallet for our new cryptocurrency Cash, and completely on the NEM blockchain. And what's really cool about it is there are no tutorials in the entire world on how to do this. And I've done it, and I'm going to teach it. It's going to be going in the NEM blockchain section soon. But basically, it's going to show anybody how to launch their own cryptocurrency, and those lessons are done already. And then how to actually code your own wallet so you can send it to and from other people, which I built a CLI tool that has a user interface and everything with some cool ASCII art, you know, so that's kind of cool too. And then I just got extra inspired about some things in relation to FPGAs and hardware and how to build. I want to build some systems related to blockchain on some hardware where I repurpose or I purpose where power and energy and computations happen because some blockchain proof of work mining is not super efficient on computers with a general processing unit and memory and all the input output things. And so I'm going to build a device that's dedicated for certain operations all through FPGA and some assembly code and it's HDL, which can be written in C or assembly, but I'm going to prefer to use C, probably not assembly. But basically, just getting into the hardware side of things, just because I need to. I need to do it. So that's it. That's lots of good things happening. Our new blockchain page is about to go up. I'm excited about that. And that's it.
Sweet, man. Johnny B.
Spent 2 hours taking stickers.
Worked on the admin app today. Got deprecated and product categories in there. And now I'm working on getting the user data in.
Sweet, man.
And that's pretty much it besides usual customer support stuff.
Sweet, man. Good work. I'm excited to see the admin build. I'm about to package it up. All right, let's see. Benjamin Kimball.
Today was an okay day. I spent a lot of time bouncing around different stuff with the website, with some improvements and rewriting some unit tests and working with that. I also spent a couple of hours looking into some options for a super awesome project that we're going to have going on in the near future with game dev stuff, and spent some time doing some customer support for, kind of customer support. People had a bunch of questions from SideQuest Saturday that they were PMing me. So spent some time answering questions, getting people links to books, and helping them get started with their game ideas. So that's, and Caleb can talk more about it, but he did a super awesome thing for SideQuest Saturdays. He actually got in touch with a developer from Unreal Engine who at some point in the next few weeks to month-ish probably is going to be hopping on as a guest so that we can talk about game dev stuff, state of the industry, and Caleb said he worked on Fortnite too. So that'll be awesome.
Very cool. Look at Caleb does cool stuff every once in a while.
He do.
Kind of.
You can go. You can go, Caleb.
Oh my, Ben, are you done?
Yeah,
Yes?
I'm done.
No? Okay, cool.
Yep, you're good.
Cool. Yeah. So yeah, more about that real quick. What Ben was just saying. I posted a story on our Instagram story today, about the mobile iOS early sign up for like their Fortnite mobile platform. Just saying like I haven't been excited about like a mobile game in a long time, and like this is one anyway. And then a guy like reached out in our story saying like, "Oh, you'll love the mobile game," and I was like, "What? Like you have it already?" Like were you like part of the first wave of people? And he was like, oh no, I actually work for Epic Games, and like I helped build Fortnite. And I was like, what? And so then we just started talking, and he said he would be happy to jump on and talk about the state of the industry and stuff in the game dev world, which is pretty cool. And he's going to GDC, so like he'll have a lot of cool insights from GDC as well. And he said after GDC he'd be happy to jump on. So made that connection, which was cool. And then finalized my final projects for iOS and uploaded them to the Asana cards. And that's all done. Social media stuff. Started the morning by reading a Gary Vee blog post about social currency. We've been talking a lot about cryptocurrency, but social currency and the idea of venturing into our top 10 hashtags on Instagram. And in each tag, going to the top 9 posts and leaving your 2 cents, in like a meaningful way, like bringing value to that post or even answering people's questions on that post. And through that, we got a lot of like engagement from people who weren't already following us, and now they are. So I'm going to try to do that more often. Just bringing more value outside of just our own little platform. I prepped for Coffee and Code. Got a bunch of really exciting stuff for that tomorrow. I guess it's not called Coffee and Code anymore. Is mine called Swift Happens? Did we like officially?
We'll talk about it later.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, and then I wrote a blog post on the stack data structure and just published it right before stand up.
Sweet, man. Look at you being all busy and productive.
Just trying to bring value to folks.
Well, good work on bringing a slight amount of value to the community.
Thanks.
No, good work, man. All right, Evan.
Yo, it was a good day. Just a lot of cleanup for the website stuff, blockchain, and getting our updates out, our awesome updates out that Nate has been working on for the app. A lot of user experience tweaks, which I'm really excited about. That's kind of like my soft spot. So they knocked it out of the park. Great job. Quick shout out to Jason too. I've had to like offload a lot of my usual stuff onto him, and he's just been killing it. So I appreciate that. Jason, if you're still there, I think I see your arm. But yeah, just cleaning up a lot of our updates. Sent an email out yesterday, and then customer support, and just with the usual Monday deal, going through our analytics, etc. Now I'm working on the promo videos for the blockchain page, which is I think the last thing. So I'll probably be working on that for the rest of the day, and hopefully we can get this thing out.
Sweet, man. Good work. Good work, guys. What a productive team we have.
Moderately productive.
Moderately productive.
Somewhat.
Slightly above average. That's like a C+.
Okay.
Well, I'll try to do better tomorrow. It's my bad, guys.
Caleb,
I'm going for the whole
Caleb,
D's get degrees thing, so I'm good.
I was gonna say Caleb probably is the kind of teacher that doesn't give C's, and he considers average like A minuses and B pluses to not.
No. I give like rainbows and puppy dog stickers. I don't give grades.
Oh, I want one. I've never gotten a sticker.
Yeah, it's because you didn't go to my school.
I always got like N's on my report card in grade school, and then I found out it meant needs improvement.
So I gotta ask, since Caleb's in charge of the Apple Slope, are the certificates and stuff when you complete different tiers of it going to come out with like rainbows and unicorns and stuff on them?
Absolutely.
No, they don't get a certificate. They just get a warm hug.
Oh, okay.
He actually comes to your house unannounced.
Yeah, I gave you a hug. By
All
ourselves.
right, cool. This got weird. Thanks for tuning in, guys.